up, everybody? Jennifer here. I hope you are doing well. And today I'm going to do another cell phone ringtone video. Since my last video, I have added some ringtones, and I'm going to share them with you. I use the app Zedge for my ringtone, and Zedge is a app you can download from your app store. So let's get started. The first one is called Beautiful. And then the next one is a new ringtone, and it's the Peanuts theme. The next one is also a new ringtone that I got downloaded for Christmas, and it's called Jingle Bells Luigi.
Getting on the way, Pilgrim Baptist means making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Shut up before I stab you.
Oh, that is actually what I thought it was. Okay. The next ringtone is called Ship Plant. Try that again. Hold on. Okay. The next one is a new ringtone called Our God is Greater. The next one is a new ringtone called You Are My Honey Bunch. The next one is the Minion Ring Ring. The next one is the Apple Ring. The next one is a new ringtone called Thunder. The next one is a new ringtone, and it's a tornado siren. The next one is a new ringtone called Awesome God. Alright, the next one is My Kind of Party. And the next one is Super Mario Galaxy Toy Time Mario. The next one is a new ringtone, um, and it's called the Beatbox ringtone. Um, the next one is a new ringtone called Peanut Butter Jelly.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Way up, way up, way up, way up. Now there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly.
The next one is the Apple iPhone. The next one is the Duck Dynasty theme. Stop it. The next one is Dragon Roost Island from Legend of Zelda Wind Waker, and this is my favorite song from this game. And the next one is Super Mario Galaxy Gusty Garden Galaxy, and this is my favorite song from that game. The next one is a new ringtone called Madagascar Move It.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I
The next one is a new ringtone called Chicken Dance. Um, the next one is called the Ghost Laugh Tone. And I just basically got this ringtone for Halloween. The next ringtone is the Zelda Wind Waker flute intro. Next ringtone is the Android ring. The next one is a throwback to my childhood. It's Indian Outlaw by Tim McGraw.
I'm an Indian outlaw. I'm Cherokee and Choctaw. My baby, she's a Chippewa. She's a one of a kind. All my friends call me Bear Claw. Billy's chicken is my pawpaw. He gets his orders from my mama. She makes him walk the line.
The next one is Cruise by Florida Georgia Line. The next one is called It Goes Like This.
And it goes like oh, and it goes like hey, and it ends with a kiss. It goes like this.
Um, let's see. The next one is called Baba Banana. Um, the next ringtone is a new ringtone, and it is the X-Files theme. This was my favorite sci-fi show as a kid, and I was really, really excited when I found this ringtone. The next one is a new ringtone called You Belong With Me. Um, the next one is called um the the next one is called the Super Mario Brothers theme. Alright, the next one is a new ringtone called My Savior Lives. The next one is also a new ringtone called it's the Mario Brothers 3 theme. Um, the next one is called The Lost Woods. Um, the next one is a new ringtone called the Mario Castle theme. Um, the next turn is a text message turn that I downloaded, and it's called Sweet Text Message.
Text message.
And then the very last ringtone that I have is the Andy Griffith theme. So, and those are my ringtones. As you can see, I have added a great deal more ringtones since my last ringtone video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's not too long for you guys. If you like if you like this video, comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.